Hi, really nice to meet you. My name is Sherya, and I am going to be your teacher for all courses and careers related to humanities subjects while you're in class 10th. I'm a founding member of the faculty at Auro.Edu. You can call me Sherya or just Shri. Unlike your other teachers, you can think of me more as a friend. I'm here not only to teach you about some of the exciting innovations happening in the world around you, but also to have some fun while you're doing it. That way, you can decide what you want to do when you grow up. So let's get started. This isn't your typical humanities course. People, power, and the policy state goes beyond textbooks to explore how ideas, institutions, and everyday people shape the world around us. We'll dive into real-world issues like wealth inequality, public service, and the influence of writing and publishing in driving social change. This course invites you to think critically about power, policy, and the possibilities for meaningful impact. What is HR and why it's important? Hello, everyone. Today, we're exploring something that affects every company and every career: human resources, or HR. Think of HR as the people department in any organization. It takes care of employees from the moment they're hired to the day they leave. HR isn't just about hiring and firing. It's about helping people succeed at work by solving problems, guiding careers, and making sure everyone is treated fairly. They keep the workplace running smoothly and help both people and the business grow. Sociology and the world of work. Sociology is the study of how people behave in society, and it deeply affects the workplace. For example, why are some jobs seen as more respected than others? Why do some companies have formal dress codes while others let you wear sneakers? HR professionals use sociology to create better workplaces. They design policies that respect different cultures, promote equality, and build a healthy environment where everyone can feel included and do their best. HR's role in organizational success. A successful company isn't just about great products, it's about great people. HR is responsible for bringing in talented employees, helping them improve, and keeping them motivated. They match the right person to the right job, offer training, and create a culture where employees want to stay. When people are happy and well supported, they perform better. And that's how HR boosts company success. Power and structure in the workplace. Workplaces have different levels: managers, team leads, interns. HR helps design these structures to keep things organized. They decide who reports to whom, what responsibilities each person has, and how decisions are made. If someone is promoted or a new department is created, HR makes sure those changes are fair, clear, and well communicated. Understanding employee motivation. People don't just work for money. They work for purpose, growth, and recognition. HR understands this and creates ways to keep employees motivated. They may offer rewards, training, flexible work hours, or just a simple, "well done." Knowing what drives people helps HR keep them engaged and productive. Behavioral patterns in teams. Have you ever worked on a school group project where some people did all the work and others didn't? That's team behavior, and HR deals with that at work. They observe how teams function, help improve communication, and encourage fairness. Good teamwork builds trust and makes jobs easier and more enjoyable for everyone. Workplace culture. Workplace culture is like the personality of a company. It includes how people treat each other, what values are most important, and how work gets done. Is the environment formal or casual? Does the company encourage creativity or focus on efficiency? HR shapes culture by promoting good habits, communication, and respect. Conflict and communication at work. Disagreements are natural, but how we handle them matters. HR teaches people how to express opinions respectfully, listen actively, and solve problems peacefully. When teams handle conflict well, they grow stronger. When they don't, HR steps in to guide a better outcome for everyone. Recruitment and training. Recruiting is about finding the right people for the job. HR reads resumes, interviews candidates, and checks if someone is the right fit. But hiring isn't enough. Training ensures employees know what to do and how to grow. HR provides learning resources, mentors, and feedback to help workers succeed long-term. Organizational change. Change is constant. Companies upgrade systems, switch leaders, or launch new products. These changes can confuse or stress employees. HR helps people adapt by explaining changes clearly, providing training, and offering support. That way, everyone moves forward together. Culture shifts at work. Today's workplaces are evolving. More remote work, flexible hours, and focus on diversity and mental health. HR leads these cultural changes, ensuring workplaces stay modern, fair, and welcoming. They update rules, host awareness programs, and listen to employee needs. Ethical challenges in HR. HR must make tough calls, like resolving conflicts, handling complaints, or making hiring decisions. They follow strict ethical guidelines to stay fair, protect employee privacy, and make decisions that are best for both the company and the individual. Changing employment trends. Some jobs are disappearing due to automation, while new jobs in tech and design are growing. HR studies these trends to help companies and workers adapt. They offer retraining programs and help employees stay ready for the future. HR technology and tools. Today's HR teams use technology to handle tasks faster, like payroll, scheduling, and recruitment. Apps and platforms help employees learn online, apply for jobs, or even request leave, all from their phones. HR tech makes everything smoother. People analytics in HR. People analytics means using data to make smart decisions. HR can track employee satisfaction, productivity, and attendance. They use charts and numbers to find problems early and make improvements that benefit everyone. HR career paths. You can be an HR generalist, doing a bit of everything, or a specialist, focusing on training, hiring, or policy. HR jobs are people-centered and offer lots of variety. If you like organizing, mentoring, or solving problems, there's a path here for you.
Scene.
Is HR right for you? Ask yourself. Do you enjoy talking to people, solving problems, helping others succeed? HR is perfect for friendly, fair-minded students who want to make a difference in how workplaces feel and function. Preparing for a career in HR. Start by joining school clubs, leading team projects, and practicing communication. Study business, psychology, or social sciences. Every group task is a chance to build HR skills like teamwork, empathy, and leadership.
The future of HR.
The future is digital and global. HR will work with international teams and use more automation. But the heart of HR, caring for people, won't change. It will need even more creativity, fairness, and tech-savvy minds.
Your HR journey begins now.
You don't have to wait to start. Begin by helping classmates, leading projects, or learning new skills. Every little step, whether in class or clubs, is a building block. Keep learning, dream big, and maybe one day you'll be the HR leader, building better workplaces for everyone.